Okay, guys, here it is. I've got one Motorola Droid phone, and there it is. It was my assistant, so it does come with this nice little pink case, which you can take off. And then we've got obviously you can use it for a charging cord or a data cable, and it also comes with a nice little Verizon portable charger for your car. This is all courtesy of Pressure Washing Institute, National Cleaning Expo. Like I said, I hate droids, so I'll be glad to get rid of this last one here we couldn't get rid of. I gave the other ones to my friends and things like that, but they don't even like droids. So anyways, we'll give it to you guys. It's a National Cleaning Expo. Kind of help Rob's forum out too, because Rob's running a great little forum here for the industry. Hopefully we're going to tell a bunch of other guys and get them in Rob's forum as well. Some of them may not be window cleaners, but hopefully Rob accepts them anyways. If he doesn't, well, they can't be in the drawing. Like I said, it's pretty simple. We're going to do the drawing during one of the NBA playoff games, so that's only in a couple of weeks because we're at, season game 8 here, and the season's over and they start. It'll be random. If the pool becomes more than 100, we'll have to go to a second pool. If that pool doesn't fill up and a blank space wins, we'll just simply run another pool until somebody eventually wins. So it's all on the square. All you got to do is post in there. Don't forget to tell us why maybe you like the phone or maybe even why you like Rob's forum. Why don't you try that? Because it's a great forum and everybody's having a lot of fun. You guys have a great day. Ron Musgraves, Pressure Washing Institute, National Cleaning Expo. This is the National Cleaning Expo East and West sponsorship here for this phone. So good luck to you guys. Have fun playing.